August 8, 2019, I bought my GoPro Hero 7. And after that, lot has happened. Lot more rides, lots of time lapses, lots of vlogging, and last but not the least, the sweet cherry of every cinematography, slow-mo. And then on June 2021, my GoPro stopped working and it was not turning on. RIP to my friend. Now the death of my GoPro had a definitive impact on me. I'm not gonna lie. After all, it's a GoPro. In terms of competition, whatever options you get with the GoPro is simply outstanding. But with GoPro, it's like a toxic relationship. You don't know how to get out of that because you don't have any other options. Or do you? The DJI Osmo Action. It's a camera that I have picked up because GoPro का एक replacement मुझे चाहिए था. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about what are the things that I like about this camera and few things that I absolutely hate. So the first feature that I like about DJI Osmo Action is the front facing screen. It makes my life so easy when I'm shooting myself. This is something that I missed on GoPro Hero 7 and I'm glad that I have it on my DJI Osmo Action. Now this camera also comes with a quick switch button which helps us to move between screens. In my opinion, it's a perfect choice. The only drawback I see is that when you are recording videos, that time you cannot switch between screens. अब ये कैमरा मैंने बहुत टाइम तक यूज़ नहीं किया like GoPro, but what I can tell you is this: the picture quality of this camera is simply outstanding, just like GoPro, if not better. So there is another thing. Now GoPro has lot of features, right? DJI Osmo Action on the other hand doesn't have all of those options, but whatever it has, it's neat and clean. And more often, the major thing that I am enjoying with this camera is there is no hanging issue. I mean, I can bet on it that if I switch on GoPro 10 times and if I switch on this camera similar amount of time, then 10 on 10 this camera will never hang. Next we'll be talking about the Rocksteady stabilization. Now Rocksteady stabilization works really well and I feel it is better than GoPro. But the problem with Rocksteady stabilization is that it comes at a price, and that price is the cropping of video. I mean, you can see in this footage, if I switch on the Rocksteady stabilization, how much cropping I get on my footage. So Rocksteady stabilization is good in certain scenario and you should know when to use it, and if you use it properly, then you will get a good result. So DJI Osmo Action has this circular lens design which I like, which is conventional, and some people don't like that square shape of lens that is there on the GoPro, and उस वजह से एक benefit मिलता है, that is the ND filters. तो अभी मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ डबल द शटर स्पीड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में. बेसिकली रूल ऑफ थंब ऐसा होता है कि आपका अगर FPS 30 है तो आपका शटर स्पीड होगा 1/68, and because of that you can see the entire image is blown out. And for that, what you can do is you can purchase these circular ND filters and you can just put it on them. This makes the life much more easier, and now you can see everything is crystal clear. Basically ND filter act as a sunglass for the cameras. So here is the $1 million question. Me and GoPro, are we really over? Now the answer to this question will be, I really don't know. Over the years, what GoPro has done is they have created this monopoly in the action camera space. They have set the benchmark that this is how your video should look like, this is how your stabilization should be looking like, and I feel they have done a very good job setting up the benchmark. But the problem with GoPro is that they are not stable right now. If you take the top of the line GoPro Hero 9, that also has lot of issues. So I feel for now I won't buy GoPro, at least for few years, because GoPro needs to fix lot of stuff, especially their UI and the hanging problem, and that is the thing that everyone is asking for. So yeah, I think that's about it for this video. If you're still here watching this video, then please मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब, दैट विल मोटिवेट मी अ लॉट। आई नो बहुत दिन बाद मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ एंड अभी प्रैक्टिस नहीं रहा, सो थोड़ा थोड़ा फंबल भी हो रहा है, बहुत सारा रीटेक हो रहा है, बट इवेंचुअली आई विल गेट देयर। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रैवल वीडियोस, आई डोंट थिंक सो ट्रैवल वीडियोस बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है, बिकॉज अभी कोरोना का जो सिचुएशन है, with all of that, traveling is really tricky, and personally I don't want to travel with corona so travel videos will take some time, but yeah, if you are new to this channel, you know what to do all of that formalities, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.